Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Oh man, is he ready? Alright. Let's try and get a knight over here. Maybe G5, knight H5. Right, so King G3, Knight G3. Maybe use the G file, Rook G1 coming up. I'm hard pressed on the dark squares here though. That Rook B1 just to free the bishop. He's weaving my squares quite significantly. Can I get rid of this guy or not? King G2, Knight H4, King H2. King H2 for Rook G1. Don't play C3. Rook F2, Queen D2, Rook G1, maybe. Just to cover F3. F3 needs covering. I've got to take this knight off before the total disaster. I'll give him the E3 square there. F takes his bishop E5. Is C3 possible here? No, it's going to be knight F3. Queen D1. Does that not lose immediately? I think I have to play C3. Ah, there's a concession. It's going to be made here, isn't there? If I ever play C3, it's always got knight B5. It's like killing. Takes a knight F6. Is that possible?
Check.
I hope. Well, there is Queen H5 here. No? It's giving me a chance. apparently. Well, there's a lot of pressure on F3. I'm defending it with 3 pieces though. I've got F7 coming up. What about knight E4 here? Where's on my queen? Let's just take this then. Trying to avoid losing the queen. Still covering F3, got F7 coming up, looks okay. In fact, there's also queen takes, isn't there? F7 if needed. But F7 without the spectacular queen sack is also looking good. F7, his resigns, yeah, I think something went wrong for him there. Badly wrong. He seemed to be a great deal of pressure against my position. I didn't expect to get such a good outcome there from what I had, obviously. Queen E1's important if I want to cover F3, yeah. Yeah, knight F6 is good, isn't it? Yeah, take on H4 is good.
Check.
So leaves him a massive pass pawn. It's actually a force mate in 6. Blimey. Oh, there's a mate here.
Checkmate.
What is he doing here? And I'm threatening mate here. Oh well, a fun one. Oh, so Queen D1. I might have played some good moves. This, I think, is a disaster. Bishop D4. So Queen D1. Because I think he just goes in here, doesn't he? As an example. Yeah, what I played is most palatable. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.